points.
You know who would be able to tell me? It would be Brandon Schweitzer, but he built a lightweight Camaro this year in the left lane. This car here is only 2,200-something pounds with a big man in it. There's the nitrous oxide. There's a huge flame, a flash there for Jimmy Taylor in the Pontiac. You could almost see the hood scoop popped up in the air there, I think.
Yeah, it's a hangnail for sure there for Taylor.
So he goes down there out of Clinton, Tennessee. He'll be fine. He's just coasting down there going, you got to be kidding me, man.
See what we got here for the insufficient funds machine.
Franco. You know Franco's being tuned by, don't you? Or helping being tuned by.
Kenny Hubbard.
Kenny Hubbard down there. That lightweight 2,200-plus pound Chevrolet Camaro in the left lane.
There's a lot of time off between this race and the next race, so I think we're just going to throw the absolute kitchen sink at it right here.
Might as well. 9 versus 1 in qualifying. Oh, hole shot. 006, man. He went after him. Did he get him? No. What a drag race, though. 006 reaction time. Whoever knows that Franco guy, you buy him a cigar and a...
Norm Bryson coming at you here, Winston, Georgia. The body symmetry hot rod here in the left lane. Pat Musey Power, number 6, taking on number 3.
Oh, look at, cold air. What'd I tell you? What'd I tell you, man? Free air, Kenny, free air.
I don't know what that one was. Insufficient funds, looking to go to the second final round in its infancy here. Been to 2 races, been to 1 final round. He is 1 3-second pass away from going there. Has been a low string of 350s all. Oh, David.
Well, there goes a nitrous oxide injected machine, taking pistons out like a fish hook getting stuck on a weed.
As Jason Lee behind the wheel of the Powered by Lard machine, Coast Packing Equipment. Eric Gustafson cuts the checks for this deal and just says, hey, y'all do your thing. Y'all show that we are the baddest car out here. And it's funny, we have the number 1 and number 2 fastest radial cars in the world right here. The number 1 being on the left-hand side of the racetrack.
Itsy bitsy tiny tires, man. Get ready. This was the final last year in September. It was Daniel Ferris driving the Galat car, right?
Yep.
So now Marcus Burt goes in, Jason Lee's in, the lights are down. The Axeman goes 07 to 06. Look at Lee. Lee gets out on him and he beats him on a hole shot. Incredible. Lee just wins on a hole shot. What do you think, Dave? Incredible numbers of 3.58 or 3.563 to a 55.3. The Axeman didn't sharpen his blade enough in that round of competition. Look for Lee in the final.
What's even crazier is Bert's car made a move there on the top end, even got towards the center, and still went 355.3.
Markowitz goes into the top light. Jason Lee takes his time, breathes the last sign of breath there. Now he'll move into the top light. Here it is. Who's getting in? Markowitz wants to get it on. Here we go. The lights are on. There's a race. Markowitz with a hole shot. Jason Lee has to pour the power on, and they do it. 356. 206 miles per hour. Jason Lee, the Coastal Packing in a PTP car, take the Radial versus the World Bama Finals right here tonight. Or here, Sunday morning, excuse me. Unreal. What a deal. Well done, man.